Introduce highlight features and quick overview of HOMIDEC Office Chair Ergonomic Desk Chair. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Upgraded ergonomic office chair. The mesh back of HOMIDEC office chair has excellent elasticity, completely suitable for the waist and back curve. The office desk provides comfortable support which helps you to maintain a relaxed posture in long hours of work and protect your lumbar spine and back. It is easier to relieve muscle fatigue. The height of the HOMIDEC desk chair can be adjusted according to the height of the desk and the height of the person sitting on it. With the feature of 30 degrees of reclining and rocking, 90 to 120 degree and structure of distributing the pressure resistant, it can reduce your body's pressure. Promote your own blood circulation. It also features 360 degree rotation. With durable casters, the desk chair can be easily moved elsewhere. The surface of HOMIDEC office chair is composed of high-density natural sponge which is designed for the curve of human's butt. It can provide a larger bearing area and can reduce body's pain. With thick handrails and a high-density mesh for excellent ventilation makes your sitting more comfortable. Lift the armrest and it can be pulled up and placed under the desk. It can be stored neatly and space-saving. The armrest can be rotated 90 degrees to relax the muscles and have fun at the same time. It's suitable for living room, study room, meeting room, and office. This desk chair design is sleek and simple adjustment mid-back desk chair. This home office chair is a perfect match to any space, office, living room, study room, conference room, and others. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.